Hello my friends and welcome back. Today I'm going to share with you the September magical monthly mystery subscription slash not subscription. So just gonna get a couple of little bits of news out just so that everybody's on the same page. I did reopen the subscription site back up. It's the same one, www.thescrappyfox.com. So if you want to sign back up for the subscription, it is there, but it is also that same exact website also has the ability to just get a one-off. So during that period of time from the 1st to the 10th, you can either sign up for your subscription and just get it sent to you every month without having to go back and check the site every month, or you can go back and check the site and just put one in your cart every month and get the one that you want, and then you don't have to have it sent to you every month if that isn't the option that you prefer. So, and then I will also make sure to have a few on the Etsy site as well. So if you want to just do all of your shopping at once and you want to get this at the same time that you're ordering other things, then you can go get them on the Etsy site as well. So I'm just kind of breaking them up into the 3 different areas so that there's enough for everybody to have the platform that they like to shop on the most. So that being said, here it is. Look at how stinking cute this is. So I'm guessing that you can figure out just by looking at this that we have a very haunted mansion theme, but in my brain I thought, I wonder what would happen if Cruella stumbled across the haunted mansion on her way to pick up, if you can't see it on this one because it kind of cut off a little bit, but that says fur. So on her way to get her fur dealer and do her trade for her fur, I was wondering what would happen if she kind of bumped into the haunted mansion and needed to find refuge for the night, kind of like the movie. You remember how they found it was pouring rain and they had to go stay there and then all the bad things happened. So that was like my whole idea for this entire kit, was Cruella and her henchmen and the haunted mansion. So here is your dashboard, and on the back it has all the information for the shop and some of the social media sites and stuff like that. And there's also a code on there for when you want to shop outside of sale times. But here is your dashboard, and then we got a whole bunch of fantastic things in here. But one of the things that's a little extra add-on this month that I thought was fun is this. So this is a double, like it can fit in your sidebar, it can fit, you can put it pretty much anywhere you want, sticker, like on your dashboard, wherever it is that you want to put it. But this is the 3, so Cruella on top of the henchmen, see her little legs hanging over her shoulder and they're sinking in the quicksand, just like all the other pictures that are hanging up at the Haunted Mansion. So I made sure that Cruella had her own Haunted Mansion portrait. So I'm guessing that this is kind of how her trip ended. Like it didn't go as planned, to having a nice dry place to hang out. I'll put all the littles aside and then we'll go straight into the main kit. So here's all of your full boxes. So you've got the beautiful haunted mansion with the moon, spooky nighttime stuff. And then you've got the henchmen without Cruella on her shoulders, like uh-oh. Then you've got the library with the heads. And then you got Cruella in the library here. You've got that awesome clock that you can see when you go through the Haunted Mansion. Remember the clock with the scary teeth? And then the portraits and her luggage there. You've got the outside with the haunted, the cemetery and the little crow on the thing with the Master Gracie laid to rest, Brother Claude, those ones that you have to stand when you're standing in line. You can read all of the tombstones. And then one with the dress from the maid and the wilted roses and the portrait behind it. So there are your 8 full boxes. This is split in half so that you can use it as either together or separate. Then your next page has your 9th box with Madam Leota's head on the table with the roses and candelabra, like where she does her little seances. Your bottom washi, look at that washi. Oh my gosh, it is so awesome with the pumpkin heads in it, the Disney themed one. Oh, I love it. Then you got your days of the week on the striped background, and then your other washi here with the spooky eyes in that wallpaper pattern that you see inside of the mansion. Then your next page has your numbers. You've got all the ghosts here as a pattern background. I did a bunch of different patterned edges, like ends, what do you call them? Bases. Sorry, I can't think of the word. Pattern bases on some of the other extra things here. You've got your dividers, all of your functional page. Then you've got your pattern page with all the fantastic patterns. Hopefully I'm in camera and I wasn't just over here because I kind of felt like I was over there. And then you've got your colorway with some more functionals, and then your monthly. So all of your months, your functional monthly, your sidebar. So this is your sidebar with the spooky outside sidebar. And then here, this one here is the one that splits. So your spooky sidebar fits on the split either side and it matches this one here. So there's that top, and then the other side is the library, which is so fantastic. I love this whole library scene. So here's your top 2 pages here, and then your sidebar. So whether you're right or left oriented sidebar, you just put this either right or left. So there is all of that. Then you've got all your littles. As always, you've got your extra days of the week. You got your little doodle boxes. You got your glitter header divider things. You got your check boxes. You got your little things and your labels, and then you got your paint swatches. Then for the foil this month, I wanted to do something that I thought would go really well with this, the color theme here. So I went with this gorgeous, look at how it is so pretty. So this is like a pixie dust hollow silver. So you've got that rainbow in the background. So you've got all the different colors. I thought this would go so well with the Haunted Mansion. And so you've got, and I changed up a few things. So you're going to see that right now, and I'll explain it all. So you've got your overlays right here. There's a couple quote boxes here. You got the fun little, the girl with the alligator under her. These ones say Haunted Mansion, and then they have the Mickey heads in the background. Of course, there's always My Way. I'm done adulting. Let's go to a haunted house. It's kind of hard to read, but let's go to a haunted house. Then your page 2 has Haunted Mansion up at the top. You've got your overlays here, Haunted Mansion overlay, and some smaller ones. And then your new bougie boxes have these fantastic patterns in the background. So hopefully you love the bougie boxes, because I'm going to show you them in just a second. But then these are your overlay patterns. So if you look really closely, you can see your Mickey heads. So it's the Mickey heads in the background. Then you've got the space in the middle for your artwork to go in the middle. And then you've got squares, different size squares. So 3 rectangles, 2 squares, and 3 ovals for your overlays. Then look at your bougie boxes. Oh my gosh. I don't even know if I'm going to be able to cover these. They're so beautiful and so sparkly. I don't even know if I'm going to be able to put anything over them, but you get 2 pages of that plus the 1 extra one that's on the other page. And then the same thing is, like, I changed this page last month so that you have the extra headers here on the side. These are all smaller scripts, but you have the same type of scripts, happy mail, planning time, that kind of stuff. You got some icons here and your numbers and your weekend banner. So there's the last page. So that is everything that is going to come in this month. So this is the September Magical Monthly Mystery subscription / not subscription if you don't want it to be, but you get all of this fabulous stuff. You can get it with or without foil, depends on what your preference is. You can get it both at thescrappyfox.com and at the Etsy shop with the Scrappy Fox shop. So you have your choice of where you want to pick them up. They will be available from September 1st through September 10th. And I hope you guys really love this one, because this one is so stinking cute and I'm so excited for it. And I hope you guys have a fantastic day. And I will see you soon with a plan with me where I use all of this. Have a great day. Bye.